You've got rhythm. English is a very rhythmic language, as you may have noticed. You're going to try and keep up the rhythm with the following phrases. Just like a metronome. Beat, 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 beat. Number 1. The train announcement at Tunbridge Station. The train coming into platform 1 will be calling at Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, Orpington, Waterloo East and London Charing Cross. 2. The manager announcing his football team. Smith, Roberts, White, Hill, Murphy, Jones, Carpenter, Wood, Black, Stone and Cray. 3. Lastly, try. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th.